guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to share with you a very interesting finding. This is an Oncidium Twinkle White that I bought last year from Orchid Garden, and it was a very sick orchid. It has rotted new growth after new growth and pseudobulb after pseudobulb, and because it's so stressed, look from where it is growing a new growth. Actually, all Oncidiums and actually even Cattleyas can grow new growths from the top of the pseudobulb. They have their anode, which will get activated only when the orchid is sure it cannot grow any more new growths from the base, when they are severely stressed and sick. We can see that the new growth is trying to produce some roots too, and it's actually quite small, but it's very interesting. Very little people actually get to see this thing happening on orchids, and this is the first time I am actually seeing this. Yeah, I don't know how you can promote this to happen. I didn't try to put cakey paste on top of the pseudobulbs, but I guess I will do a try to see if I get anything. I'm really curious about that. I will put you on the screen a picture from the internet where somebody had a cattleya which was producing new shoots from the top of the pseudobulbs. Very interesting case. So right guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to answer them. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is the first time you're watching a video on my channel, please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my orchid videos. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!